Katherine Miller here, and I want to talk to you today about 9 tips that you can use to help you hire the right divorce attorney. The first tip is to know what you want and understand your options. Now, divorce is a really confusing thing, and there are many pieces of information flying out there in the world, but you really need to think through both what you want in terms of the outcome and what you want in terms of the process. What is it going to feel like, and what are your options to get from here to there? The second tip is to identify 3 attorneys and actually go interview them. It's really tempting sometimes to leave your troubles in the hands of the first attorney who understands your problem and knows what to do, but it's really important to actually meet with all 3 attorneys. The third tip is to talk to people who've been through divorce about their relationship with their attorney and how it impacted the outcome and their happiness with their divorce process. Tip number 4, make sure the attorney has a lot of experience with divorces and has represented people just like you. Tip number 5, make sure the attorney is a good negotiator. Talk to the attorney about their negotiation style and how it's worked for other people. Tip number 6, make sure the attorney is both reasonable and also totally candid. You want to be sure you understand where you stand with regard to your case all along the way and that they're not afraid to tell you. Tip number 7, make sure the attorney is compatible with you. You need to feel good about this hire and feel like you can work with this person for a long time and through some really difficult stuff. You've got to make sure you really feel good about them. Tip number 8, ask the right questions. Make sure you write them out ahead of time so you don't forget anything, but you need to know that this attorney is going to be able to take you through and answer all the questions you have along the way. Tip number 9, pay attention to the red flags. You know in your heart when things are wrong. If it doesn't feel right, have the courage to walk away. If it's not the right person in the meeting, even though you've taken the time, paid the consultation fee, walk away. It's the right thing to do. Although these tips may seem like just a lot of common sense, when you meet with an attorney about your divorce, you're going to be in an emotional space. And I want you to download this PDF so that you know the right questions to ask, no matter who you're talking to.